GMT enhanced self-ability continuously over the years. To meet our important customers' expectation. We keep trying on how to build an intelligent automation realm and achieve the industrial convenience. We know, so we seek. Production of key components used in automation process and related modules. Subsystem to system integration. Set as main hub applied to factory automation solution. To offer you all-round service, GMT move without hesitation, head to innovation direction. Possibilities are results from thousands of tries. Stay tuning product quality and service to be better and better in our belief. GMT steadily strengthens itself in the professional field. Your approval and recognition are appreciated and always the reasons GMT make effort for. On the growing path that leads to the future, we try to expand our horizon in various industries. GMT will never forget our initial faith. Your smile with touch and satisfaction are what we look forward to seeing.